Very good evening traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today market was very different in Nifty. So in the beginning there was a big fall, then suddenly it bounced back. So let us see how our indicator has worked in this type of market. So assume that I have started the market to run now. Market has opened now, just now. So immediately our lines got formed and our sell entry also got activated. See here, exactly our sell entry got activated. So once again I show you, I am keeping in default setting. So I'm coming to here and giving reset button, reset settings, and I'm giving tiny SL and tiny targets. Okay, so this is the only thing I'm doing. So if you want, what you can add the top middle point and the middle point. So this is DTP and DBP. So top and bottom pivot points you can add. So now it looks like this one. So already sell got activated. We all know if sell activated there is no buy. If buy activated there is no sell. If you are an aggressive trader, you can trade both the side. It is up to you. So now our sell got activated and we are waiting for the target. Target also hit, first target hit, second target hit, third target also hit. So for the big targets holders, they can keep up to the buy entry or at the midpoint, that is IIT 1. So now it has reached exactly to our bottom side. So now if you are an aggressive trader, now you can take buy also. If you are a small trader, you should not take, right? Any one side only you have to trade. But our indicator is working both the side. So it depends on the traders who want to take the risk or not. So see here exactly, first sell got activated, all the targets have been hit. Again buy got activated, all the targets have been hit. Again sell activated and it has reached the midpoint of our entry. So this is the beauty of our indicator. No other indicator will show you like this. So this is in case of spot value. What about the features? The feature also I show you. See here. In feature also same thing. Sell got activated. It has reached the buy zone and from the midpoint of the buy zone it has reversed back and it has touched the sell zone. Once again it has fallen. So the sell stop loss was 17,748.95, that is 17,749 is the stop loss. But the high made was 17,747.40. So the SL also safe in the third entry. But technically only we are booking at the first target if you are a small trader. If you are an aggressive trader and if you are a disciplined trader, you can book 1:2 minimum at least. So thank you all for watching our video. Don't waste your money with a false entry or wrong signal. Try to follow one price action method continuously for 100% sure that you will get a profitable trades in your lifetime. Thank you all. Bye bye. If you're not subscribed to Indicator and the YouTube channel, please subscribe. For any details, please contact us on the given number 9500009154. Thank you all. Bye bye.